In this video, I'm going to show you how to track conference and event listings using Browse AI, a powerful tool that can automate and streamline the process, saving you hours of manual work. If you're new to Browse AI, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started and make the most out of it. First things first, let's talk about what Browse AI does and why it's such a game changer. Browse AI is an AI-powered web scraping tool designed to help you track information across websites like conference and event listings without needing any coding skills. It essentially mimics human browsing behavior to extract the data you need, quickly and easily. Whether you're looking for event dates, locations, speakers, or registration links, Browse AI can grab it all for you automatically. To get started, simply sign up for Browse AI using the link in the description below. You'll get access to an exclusive free trial that lets you explore the features and see how it works for your needs. I'll show you how to use this powerful tool in just a few simple steps. And by the end of the video, you'll know how to set up your own project and track events like a pro. Now, once you've logged into Browse AI, you'll want to set up a new robot to track conference and event listings. This is where things get easy. You simply choose the website you want to track and let Browse AI navigate through the site just like a human would. You can highlight the data you want to capture, whether it's event titles, dates, or venues, and Browse AI will automatically pull that info for you. What makes Browse AI so powerful for tracking event listings is its flexibility. You can set it up to scrape data on a recurring schedule, so you never miss out on updates for upcoming events. Whether it's weekly, daily, or even hourly, Browse AI ensures you're always in the loop. This is incredibly useful if you're keeping tabs on multiple conferences or events at once and you want to stay ahead of the curve. Another great feature is the ability to monitor changes. With Browse AI, if an event listing is updated, let's say the event date is changed or a new speaker is added, you'll get an immediate notification. This means you can stay up to date without constantly checking the websites yourself. And here's a pro tip. Browse AI works with any website, so no matter where the event is listed, you can track it. Plus, you can even export the data to a spreadsheet, which makes analyzing and organizing all the event information you're gathering super easy. As we wrap up, remember that Browse AI isn't just a tool for tracking conference and event listings. It's a versatile web scraping platform that can be used for a wide range of data gathering tasks. Whether you're in digital marketing, sales, or research, Browse AI can save you time and effort by automating the tedious parts of data collection. Before I go, let me remind you that by clicking the first link in the description, you'll get an exclusive, extended free trial for Browse AI. So if you're ready to level up your event tracking game and save valuable time, give Browse AI a try. You've got nothing to lose and plenty of events to gain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.